INOD was trending at some point. This is Friday, the 7th of November, 2025, up 8.9%. So, yeah, people are discussing its potential in the AI sector, fueled by announcements of strategic partnerships expected in 2026. And they also focused on the potential impact of new government and sovereign AI contracts worth millions and how these could significantly boost revenue. Okay, so they're also discussing and highlighting the company's existing contracts with tech giants and its position in the agentic AI development. So the company does they review large language models. They review all of those, So for instance, sometimes you may notice that um, ChatGPT, for instance, divulge some mistakes and all those kind of things. So it is this company that does the. I know they do the literary part of it as well, indeed, and also some part of the programming as well. So they help to refine the outcomes you get from prompting and chatting with some of these large language models. So the company also reported its earnings outcomes yesterday. Okay, so revenue of $62.6 million, a significant increase from $52.5 million the same period last year. Gross profit also rose. Income before taxes, yes, also rose as well. But net income attributable to the company and its subsidiaries were decreased because of a higher provision for income taxes and much more. Yeah, so the underlying trend is we'll find out very soon what it is saying, but the stock has been showing some weakness of late. So this positive disclosures may be a boost for it, but let's see now. Okay, the line trend is strongly bullish. Okay, the stock has been printing lower prices since the 9th of October. Okay, so today's extrapolation is it got it wrong. Got this one wrong. Got this one wrong. It's up now. There's a good chance it may close up. It may remain up. So yeah, the stock is showing a decent. It's been showing some weakness within a longer term bullish trend, even though it's just got a bounce, a decent amount of bounce in this pre-market session of Friday, the 7th of November. So, however, the extrapolation is not positive, not positive about what's going on. It doesn't think it's going to really expand beyond this space here. I can probably say between 72 dollars and yeah, there's a good chance it may not go beyond that $72. Yeah, that's what the algos is saying, and they continue to decline. Is the extrapolation is saying that yeah, it's still strong up till now, but it's saying that by the midday today it may go into a decline. But it may not happen like that. So in any case, nothing ambitious is extrapolated here for INOD, but it may well defy all of that. It may well defy all of that. So let's see now. The probability of it retesting 75.53 is not fantastic. It is. It looks quite is good, quite good, quite good. I would say up to 30%, up to 30%. But yeah, but it may or may not do that. It may or may not, even though that probability is it looks decent, but it doesn't mean that it's going to do so. So if anything, if this turns out to be the case, then well, one can even have a look and consider options. But let's go back to the daily chart. The daily chart seems to be suggesting the same sort of weakness as well. Yeah, it seems to be suggesting the same sort of weakness as well. So suggesting that the stock is going to trade within the space, quite a wide space. So it may get volatile from time to time. So the cap on the stock is around 75.65, but we can go and have a look at its 4-hour chart again and see. So the cap here is seems to be suggesting from $72 So if you have a look at its options grid, it may be, it may, that seems to be suggesting, amongst other things, that one may be able to find something to trade on the options, on the options grid. So we had there $72. So anything from here, from $72, all the way down, there might be an opportunity to make something out of it. The lower you get, the lower you take it, then the safer it is. So you could take $79. Sell this will be a a credit spread. You sell a 2.9. You sell a 79 call. I mean 79. Sell a 79 call and buy a 78 call. Okay, so you sell 2.9 and then you buy it at 1.45. That will be 1.45. That will be, you get $1.45 for every contract, and then that will be credited in your account straight away. But your requirement will be held by your broker, just to make sure that if it fails, they will be able to cover the, yeah, practically you lose the money. So it's called a credit spread because you will be credited immediately. That's all you get in the interim. If the deal works out, if the stock expires below 70, if the stock expires above $78, yeah, above $78, then you will get your requirement back. So in other words, you will have made a profit. So, but that's just this is just a suggestion. It's not a recommendation that you should do it. It's just what it seems to be suggesting. What it seems to be suggesting, especially going all the way to next week Friday, just in a very short time. In a very short time. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. The stock was trending at some point. Let's see now. It's 10 period moving average is trending. Yes, trending right now. Yeah, it's trending. Yes. Positions opened all the way back to 40 hours ago are currently in profit, given that it has got a bounce. Yeah. So well, I'll continue to update you. Let's see how it goes, and thank you very much for watching this video. But before we do that, let's see now. Let's see what is going on right now. Whether they are how people are trading the markets right now, how aggressive the things are. Let's see. Okay, so far nothing much. 20,000 shares have crossed the tape so far. It's still early days, still quiet. It may or may not be a volatile session for the stock, but yeah. Our extrapolation was saying that today was going to be a down day on its daily chart. Maybe not. It may still be an up day. Yeah, from the look of things, it may be an up day. Yeah. Okay, so see what you make of INOD, and thank you very much for watching this video.